Okay, so now I'm going to show you some shoulder exercises, 3 main shoulder exercises that target the deltoid muscle. So I'm going to use some dumbbells. So the first one will be the front shoulder raise that deals with the front part of the deltoid muscle. Hold the dumbbell in this manner, up and down. And by this control, you're not swinging like this, okay? This is wrong. What you want to do is up, hold, and come down. You can do one side at a time, or if you have 2 dumbbells, you can alternate. So you will start 1, down, up, and down, okay? Up, control, and down, okay? From the side, it looks like this. Look at the level the arm is reaching, and down, up, hold, and down. So that's the front raise. Then you can do the side raise, where you're doing this, and down. If you want to do one at a time, that is fine. Okay. Or you can alternate. It's up to you. Okay. What I want you to note is that the dumbbell is not coming straight out like this. It is actually at a 45-degree angle where you're out like this. Okay. So again, then this is the proper position of the arm when you're doing the side raise. It is better than this position here. Okay. So that's the front and the side. Now we're going to deal with the rear deltoid. In this position, split the leg, support yourself, and keep the arm straight. Up, hold, and come down. Up, hold, and come down. Okay, it is not this movement. This is not the movement with the arm bent like this. Okay, this is a tricep exercise. Okay, it is not this movement. Arm is straight, starting from the totally down position, up, and down. Okay. Again, then when you're finished, you switch to the other side.